Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing another reaction video for you guys. You guys seem to like my reaction videos, so today I'm reacting to another music video. This one is by Justin Timberlake and it's called Man of the Woods. Okay, so I'm a bit excited to see what this video is about because when I think Justin Timberlake, I'm thinking like songs that he's already done, you know, from NSYNC coming down to his singles, from, you know, being a solo artist and all of that, you know, like My Love and Cry Me a River and like them kind of songs that I absolutely love. I haven't seen a video from him in a long time, so I am thinking it's going to be pretty good. Just came out, so this is a fairly new reaction. If you guys like the video, thumbs up the video, hit subscribe if you're new to my channel. If you're watching me for the very first time, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So without further chatting, let's get right into this reaction.
I brag about you to anyone outside, but I'm a man of the woods, it's my pride. I'm sorry baby, you know I try, but I'm a man of the woods, it's my pride.
Okay, so I'm thinking that this is going to be like a kind of, what I call him, playwright, like a, I don't know, there's supposed to be some story behind this video, I'm guessing. So okay, it's already at almost 1 million views and it just went up a couple hours ago.
Hey sugar plum, look at where we are. So tonight if I take it too far, that's okay because you know, that's okay because you know, I hear the making up's fun. Been a minute since we had some time to breathe, so if you see another side of me,
you're right.
That's okay because you know, that's okay because you know, I hear the making up's fun. Just stop it, there's so much in your head starts down the light. And girl, you know I brag about you to anyone outside, but I'm a man of the woods, it's my pride. I'm sorry baby, you know I try. Well, I got your sweet with a twist of lime, and this one's neat, but you know that's mine. Here we go. Cause you know we like it.
Oh, so she's there. Or no? Okay, she is there. She is in the reflection.
We do it twice cause we know we like it. But then your hands stop it, fingers walking down your legs. Say there's the faucet, someone's knocking like they know. Watching your hands starts down the light.
She's confusing.
And girl, you know I brag about you to anyone outside, but I'm a man of the woods, it's my pride.
Hey, so now they're dancing.
I try to find the words, but they hide, and that's the truth. Nobody ever will understand what we do. It's only what we do. Come here to me, cause it's only what we do. I brag about you to anyone outside, but I'm a man of the woods, it's my pride, it's my pride. Sorry baby, you know I try. I wrote this to let you know.
Okay, finally a dancing scene.
Man of the woods, and you're my pride. I can't make them understand, but you know I'm a southern man, a man of the woods, and you're my pride. Let the beat ride like
That's cute. But of course he had to do the heel click. Okay guys, so here's what I think about the video. To be honest, the video was boring. I'm thinking he's targeting a specific kind of people. Like, I mean, I think Justin Timberlake, I'm thinking My Love, I'm thinking Cry Me a River, I'm thinking stuff like this with videos. His videos usually have like a story behind it, and I don't know, I didn't really get a story from this video, so it's like whatever. But the dancing scene was cool. I think that was the only cool thing in the video. It was annoying seeing seeing himself through. If you guys watch the video, you guys will get it. Like every time he looked around, he was actually looking at himself. It like switched to a scene of him. It's just crazy. The video is not interesting, to be honest, but that's just my 2 cents. What do you guys think about the video? Let me know in the comment section below. As per usual, the official link to the video is going to be down in the description bar, so you guys can go ahead and watch it for yourselves, the full video. But this is just my 2 cents, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.